Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and beautiful latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Collection of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, much more stylish hairstyles in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance. Mostly ideas low maintenance hairstyles in messy hairstyles and spiky hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas fine hairstyle and some collection too short wave and curl on hair. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. So attractive ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step, and some ideas in undercut, and so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.